Most people over 50 struggle with morning stiffness, joint pain, or that deep, nagging discomfort in the legs. And many seniors don't realize that one of the most powerful natural pain relievers might already be in their kitchen. Today, you'll discover why just one garlic clove before bed can help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and even relieve certain types of pain by the next morning. And the best part? It's simple, natural, and backed by science. As we age, the body produces less collagen, our joints become drier, and inflammation begins to build up inside the muscles and tissues. Poor sleep, circulation problems, high blood sugar, or even mild nerve compression can all make morning pain feel much worse. That's why nighttime is the perfect moment to target inflammation. Your body heals while you sleep. And this is where garlic becomes incredibly powerful. Garlic is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory foods on Earth. 1. Contains allicin, a natural pain fighter. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases allicin, a compound proven to fight inflammation, reduce swelling, and improve blood flow. 2. Helps relax blood vessels. Many seniors wake up with leg pain because of poor nighttime circulation. Garlic naturally widens blood vessels, helping oxygen and nutrients reach the muscles more effectively. 3. Reduces nerve irritation. Allicin also helps calm irritated nerves. One reason some people experience less sciatica or back pain after regular garlic use. 4. Helps the body repair while sleeping. Since your body enters repair mode at night, garlic's anti-inflammatory effects become even stronger during sleep. This is why so many people report waking up less stiff and more flexible the next day. After just a few nights, many people notice reduced morning stiffness, less pressure in the legs and knees, better blood flow in cold feet and hands, calmer nerves, less tingling, improved sleep quality, and after 1 to 2 weeks, lower inflammation overall, better mobility, less swelling in ankles, reduced pain from arthritis flare-ups. Studies from the Journal of Nutrition and International Immunopharmacology show that garlic extract can significantly decrease inflammatory markers like CRP and IL-6, both strongly linked to joint and muscle pain. So yes, one garlic clove isn't just folklore. It's biologically active pain relief. To get the strongest anti-inflammatory effect, you must activate the allicin. Method 1. Raw and crushed, strongest effect. Crush 1 garlic clove. Let it sit for 10 minutes. This activates allicin. Swallow it with warm water. Do this 30 minutes before bed. Method 2. Garlic plus honey, gentler for seniors. If raw garlic is too strong, 1 crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon honey. Mix and take it like a syrup. Honey helps reduce stomach irritation and also improves sleep. Method 3. Lightly heated garlic. If your stomach is sensitive, lightly saute the crushed garlic for 5 to 7 seconds only. Too long equals allicin disappears. Garlic is powerful, but not suitable for everyone. Avoid or reduce garlic if you have stomach ulcers, severe acid reflux (GERD), are taking blood thinners, have upcoming surgery, experience burning or stomach pain. If you notice discomfort, reduce the dose or switch to the honey method. Just 1 garlic clove before bed can be a simple and natural way to reduce pain, calm inflammation, and improve mobility for seniors. It costs almost nothing, And yet the results can be impressive. Try it for 1 week and see how your body responds. Your mornings may feel completely different.